Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable focus outlines without harming UX, full guide step by step clearly. To enable focus outlines without harming user experience, begin by assessing your current design. Identify elements that benefit from focus outlines, such as buttons and interactive links. Open your CSS file to implement the changes. Start by adding the outline property to your focusable elements. Use the selector for your focusable elements, typically a class or element type. Set the outline property to a visible color, such as blue or green. Specify the outline style to be solid for better visibility. Consider using outline width to ensure it stands out. Next, check your design for color consistency and contrast. Ensure that the outline does not clash with the existing color scheme. Test the outline's visibility against different backgrounds to confirm accessibility. If necessary, adjust the outline color or width for improved visibility. Now, focus on maintaining the aesthetic of your site. Use transition effects to make the outline appear smoothly when an element is focused. Consider adding hover effects or active states to enhance interactivity. Conduct user testing to gather feedback on the visibility and appeal of the focus outlines. Iterate on your design based on user input. Finally, ensure the focus outlines are compatible with different devices and screen readers. By following these steps, you enable focus outlines effectively while maintaining a positive user experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.